Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to enable activating assistant by saying "Hey Google" on Motorola G15 Power. Firstly, go into settings, now tap on the search bar and search up assistant. Now go into assistant settings, then go into Hey Google and voice match, turn on, tap on this switch. Now I've read everything before, and I'm just going to skip this part, but you should read before agreeing, of course. Now, as you can see, it has been activated, and now let's try if it works. Hey Google, hey Google, hey Google, hey Google, hey Google, hey Google. Okay, so if it doesn't work, just like in my case, all you have to do is tap on retrain voice match model, and it's going to ask you to say something that's written on the screen, and that's exactly what you will have to do. So just tap here, and now it's asking me to say this phrase. So, hey Google, help me write a thank you note. And I think it's like 4 times. So now, hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay, Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Okay, Google, set the timer for 5 minutes. Right, and now it should work better. Hey Google. Yeah, it works much better. So that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have more questions, let us know in the comments.